Emma Broyles is famous for winning the Miss America. She has represented Alaska, and at the end of the day, she was on the top. She was crowned as Miss America 2022. Emma Broyles, representing the state of Alaska, was crowned Miss America at an event marking the competition's 100th anniversary. She is the first Miss Alaska to win the Miss America competition in the event's 100-year history. Emma Broyles was born and brought up in 2001 in Anchorage, Alaska, USA. She is the first Alaskan and first Korean American title holder. Broyles is a Service High School graduate and currently in her junior year at the Honors College at Arizona State University, where she is majoring in biomedical studies and minoring in voice performance, according to the Miss America organization. She has beautiful brown hair and brown eyes. She started acting, modeling in her school. She is a model, influencer, and social media personality. Emma Broyles' mind-blowing performance has impressed judges, and the way she tackled all the questions during the competition was pretty impressive. She has also been a Miss Alaska Outstanding Teen in the year 2017. After that, she decided to take a break for 4 years, and her motive was to win Miss Alaska 2021, and finally, her dream came true. Broyles emerged as the winner out of 51 contestants representing the 50 states and the District of Columbia at the competition at a Connecticut casino. She has continued to increase her popularity across several social media platforms. Broyles works closely with the Special Olympics, winning in the preliminaries for her social impact pitch about the power of the organization. The 20-year-old has been volunteering with the Special Olympics for 12 years due to her older brother, who has Down syndrome, becoming an athlete. Her mother works as a teacher at Service High School, but in her leisure time, her mom Julie loves to watch soccer matches. Emma has 2 younger brothers from her parents. She broke into prominence for her amazing looks, cute smile, style, and fantastic personality. Since her school days, she has been active in community work and is now carrying forward this habit by becoming a community assistant at Arizona State University. As of now, Emma Broyles is earning a good amount of money. Being a model, she is working for many modeling agencies and promoting big brands. Her name and fame are increasing with time. Prior to becoming famous on the international level, Broyles began her modeling journey by participating in the local shows, even won many times, which encouraged her to go high.